been incredible. We've had an amazing time. He's been very thorough. The hands-on has made things really make sense. And I'm really happy that my assistant and I have attended and excited to put it back to work. Working with the app this weekend has really made it very clear that this app and this technology is something that we must implement because the future is here. AI is happening, digital smile design, people love to see things. So we're actually going to go back and implement it with all of our new patients, everybody that we can, and we're going to start using it right away. It's a no-brainer for sure. When somebody sees what they can look like and it can be done in a minute, at least to get them interested, and then do a smile design, I mean, there's no question that people will be more excited. Well, I've been in practice for 34 years, and my practice is Cosmetic Dentists of Houston. So we're a big aesthetic practice, and we have done everything old school. 34 years, I've been doing this forever, and I love it. But what I see that this technology and this app is going to help us with are a few things. First of all, I think it's going to increase case acceptance dramatically. So that could certainly then equal a lot of dollars coming into our practice, but more importantly, making a lot of beautiful smiles for people that deserve it and are excited about it. So that's our big focus. Another thing would be to also hone our skills on what our preparations, what we're looking for, how to communicate with our laboratories. Everything can then be much more precise than we've ever had it before. So what I foresee is we're going to have a lot of happier patients, which, you know, we've done really well with it, but this is going to increase it. So we're very excited. I think it's going to be awesome.